Hello boys and girls, Miss Fletcher here, and today I'm going to talk you through joining our Seesaw class. So you need to open a new Google page on your web browser. Up here in the top right hand corner is this 9 squares that we call the waffle. Click on the waffle. Then find this rainbow colored M. That's your Gmail. That's your email, boys and girls. Open up your email. And you should have an email from me right at the top, and it's going to walk us through what we need to do. So see this blue link that says app.seesaw.me? Let's click on that. That's going to take us right where we need to go. Now, mine has already been opened and yours hasn't, so you should be seeing a choice that says, are you a student or are you a teacher? Please click on Student. And then it's going to ask you for a code. You're going to put this code in. IYUP VUOD. I'll read it again. IYUP VUOD. And that code is only good until maybe next Sunday. So we've got to hurry and get that in. This code also will be sent to you in that email, just in case you forget. So once you get in to our Seesaw account, you should be able to see the activity that I've given you for the first assignment, and it is goal setting. So you're going to see this screen that I'm showing you, and you can talk about your goal. You can type it using the T there. You can record yourself with a microphone. You can add a picture, or down here, there are some writing tools. You can draw with the different color markers. You can even change them over here. So lots of different options to show me what your goal is. So I'm looking forward to working with you, and I hope you can get into Seesaw. If you cannot, please email me at cfletcher@idabells.org, or you can call the office and I can talk you through it, 580-286-5346. Have a great day.